Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions of the Maybelline Python. This is the Python Metallic Lip Kit. I was in CVS the other day and I came across a display of these and I was just like, what is that? I must try it. So this is a lip color and a metallic powder. It's to do like an ombre lip. And they had a bunch of different shades. I picked up number 20 Wild, which is the pink and gold. And I had to. So let's just dive on in. And it has like the CVS safety seal. Let's see. This thing is like taped, which I appreciate so that it's not like tampered with before you get it, because I can't stand that. Like, I get people want to swatch things, but this isn't like Sephora, this isn't Ulta. Don't stick your fingers in it, you know? Alright. It has instructions on the back. Looks like you put the lip color on first, and then you put the powder on next. This is a little compact. Ooh, there's no mirror. I mean, come on. I think it was like $10.50 or something like that. I didn't wait for it to go on sale. I'm sure they have coupon. You know, they always have coupons. They always have sales at CVS. Because I just wanted to get in with play with it. But you know, like clearly, like there's a slot for a mirror. They could have put a mirror in here real easily. So I'm just going to, I have a little bit of chapstick on because my lips are so dry. I'm going to grab a little mirror. I try to be prepared ahead of time, but I'm never. She must, like, the picture in the front, I'm like, okay, I really want to know how easy is it to recreate that, and did they use a brush? Because it shows that they used a finger. You know what I mean? Alright, so I do appreciate this opens up flat. And so first things first is the Balm lipstick in this hot pink. Oh, wow. And because my lips are dry, this is like clinging to all of the dry spots. So I recommend, this is like staining my finger. I recommend a lip scrub. It's going on not as bright as I thought it would, actually. Oh, All right, let me get a wipe. It's a very moisturizing balm, at least. Oh, is this staining my fingers? Hold the phone. Okay, not too bad. But I feel like I want to use a lip brush. I want to use a lip brush because I feel like I can get better control. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Oh, this shows all my dry, patchy skin. And I'm not using lip liner only because you put the powder on the outside. Ooh, I need to like take care of that right there. Magnifying mirrors sometimes. Can show you the worst side of you. That's why you just turn it away. Alright, so let me just clean up this brush a little bit. You know what, that's going to be wet. So let me get a different one for the powder. And it's just a picture step one, and they just tap the powder in. So maybe I will use my finger for that, but maybe I'll use my pinky finger since it's my smallest finger. I mean, it's my smallest finger. It's most people's smallest finger. I'm not going to assume it's everyone's smallest finger. It's like a creamy powder. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Don't know where I'd ever wear this, but let me grab a little brush. Oh, the little brush is so much easier. I was afraid it wouldn't pick up. A lip liner definitely would help. And I kind of like that you can see like the cracks in your lips, like the natural cracks in your lips, like the, not like the dry patches, but like your lips identity, you know what I mean? You'll see in a second. And clearly the picture on the front is Photoshopped because it's not what this looks like, but it's still pretty cool. The gold bronze layers up really well. Look at that. Look how crazy that is. Kinda, sorta. Let me get the lips right. Ready? That's cool. For a special occasion. I mean, they had some other, like, really subtle colors. I went for, like, the bright pink because why not? Yeah, I think this would definitely look better up close and personal if I exfoliated my lips and they weren't as dry as the Sahara Desert. But that's not the product's fault. That's my lips. So, yeah, this definitely, I was kind of like, I don't know how about that. Like, how is it really gonna look and stay? And let's see about, wow. I mean, it's a little bit transfer, but it stays pretty well. So, yeah, that's really cool. Check them out. That's a really cool lip trend. I think that's pretty neat. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you guys know of any other fun products that you guys see and you want me to try out, comment and list them below, and maybe I'll go check them out. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!